Hey guys, Joe from Jippyville. So we're gonna do another food review, I guess. It's actually Amazon chicken noodle soup. We're gonna try it. We're gonna review it, try it, and eat it. Well, we're gonna review it and eat it. So I guess it's a kind of eating video my mom and me are gonna do. So I'm always gonna be in it, and I'll be back with you when we cook it. So I got to cook it right now, so hold on. We'll actually put it to we're actually cooking it, so let me open it up. Guys, it smells like chicken noodle soup, but it's Amazon brand, so I don't know. What do you think? Smells like Amazon?
Yeah, it smells like. Hang on. Stop. Oh. We're doing a video. We're doing a video. What? No, here. The books. Those books. No, we get it.
Cut that out, Joe.
You're good this time.
Talk to him. I got it.
You put water with it? Don't put water with it.
Water, I forgot to. Oh, sir. Awesome. Here, say hi.
Hi.
Here, say hi back.
How's everybody's day today?
We're not live.
Huh?
We're not live.
Oh, sorry.
I'm not. I'm saying. We're ain't live. So I was live? No, that's alright. How does that usually take?
Huh?
How long?
A few minutes.
Huh?
A few minutes.
Guys, we're just cooking soup right now, so hold on, we're just cooking soup. Don't suck. I lied to do in this video.
Huh?
I lied need to do.
Why?
Oh, guys, wait here. You got the wrong spoon. That's it. That'll get views. Alright, guys, let's try it out, see what it's like.
Not bad.
Different.
Yeah.
Definitely different, guys. It really is. Definitely different.
It's tasty.
It's definitely different. Okay, thoughts about it? Okay, thoughts about it?
No, it's nice and tasty, yeah. No.
Guys, one thing about this is it's definitely chewier, more salt or soggier. That's what I think. Agree?
Yeah.
A little more soggier?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But still very good though.
Good.
Can you get it again?
Guys, go this 1 to 110. Probably give it at least a 7. Maybe 7 or 8. Maybe. Probably 8.
Why would you give it nothing higher?
Just because it's soggy to normal. It's like more chewier. Guys, the reason I give 8 because it's more chewier and more chewier, more.
I give it a 9.
Would you?
Yeah.
Did you hear it, guys? You give it a 9. I'll give it 8. Just because, like I said, more chewier is more soggier.
You want to be high, would you?
Well, guys, will I get this again? Probably not. Probably not. Just because I have to order it. That's the reason I want to get it again. Oh, you would you get it again?
If I was...
Say it to the camera, say it to the camera.
Yes, I would give it again. I would get it again.
Would you?
I think I would, yes.
You're ordering it next time.
It's quite tasty.
Good, you good. It's not bad. I'll give it a 9. I won't give it a fully 10. I won't give it a full 10. Well. Alright,
I
guys.
wish there was more noodles in the can, but...
What? I totally agree with my mom. I wish there was more noodles in the can and stuff, but I mean, I wish it came with a bigger can, but you know, they don't. But is that the biggest can they come in?
Mm-hmm. Amber-sized.
I wish it came in the big. I sure wish I got 2 cans off Amazon, but I didn't. One for me, one for my mom, but I never did.
Combine the 2 cans together.
Yeah. I never did. It's true.
Yeah.
I should about next time we mix or soup off Amazon, I'll probably get 2 cans of it. So, anything else you gotta say?
Oh, I think
we crossed the point about it.
yeah, we covered it all. Nothing more to say.
Guys, if you want my mom to be more videos, smash the subscribe button, push like. Want be more? Want be more videos? We could do more videos.
Depends what you want to do.
If you want to see our mom movies, hit the like button so I know you guys want to have our mom video, another video. Take you shake your head for. It's entertaining to fight people. It's entertaining. Alright guys. If you like this kind of video, smash the subscribe button and push the bell for when I post new videos you get notified. Share, leave a comment, and you know what to do. Alright guys, Joe from the View, and I'm out. It's your war out. See you guys. Say goodbye.
See you later.